Question number 16 of test series 8 is from water resources from fluid mechanics, and in this question it is given that there are two pipes. In one water is flowing and in another oil is flowing, and properties are given. Diameter of pipe carrying water is 20 centimeter, whereas D2 that is carrying oil is 5 centimeter, and also it is given that viscosity of water, let us say mu1 as 0.01 and mu2 as 0.025. Further, it is given that specific gravity of oil as 0.8 and specific gravity of water, as we know, is 1, and velocity of flow of water is given as 5 meter per second. And in this question it is asked that what is flow velocity of oil if pipes are dynamically similar. Now if pipes are dynamically similar, Reynolds number of pipe 1 should be equal to Reynolds number of pipe 2, and Reynolds number is given by rho into V into characteristic length, which will be diameter in case of pipe divided by mu for pipe 1 should be equal to rho into V into D into mu for pipe 2. Now V2 hence can be calculated as rho 1 upon mu 1 into mu 2 upon rho 2 into V1 into D1 upon D2. Upon substituting all the values, ratio of rho 1 upon rho 2 will be same as ratio of their specific gravity. So V2 can be written as 1000 upon 800. Rho 1 upon rho 2, 1000 for water and 800 for oil, multiply by 0.025 for oil upon 0.01 into 0.20 upon 0.05, ratio of diameters multiply by 5. So V2 comes as 62.5 meter per second. So correct answer for question number 16 is A.